Alright guys, good morning. I think the time is about 10:30 now. It's really hot here on the service road of the Mysore highway. Here we go. It is insanely hot here. I'm already sweating. We're still in the monsoon season, but I can already feel the heat. My next destination is Ramnagara. I used to feel bad when they did not allow bikers on the highway. If you think about it, the speed at which the vehicles in the highway goes, irrespective of what sort of vehicles they are, for a biker who is a sitting tomato, it's always risky. Oh, look at those weapons. They're nice. Oh, look at that. There's a train. Oh, can we catch it? Not sure. I think it must be going in 100. And this is not the road I would be comfortably doing 100. There are some villages, there are some small businesses like this. You never know who's gonna just pop up. But it's a nice view. Took a detour. I'm going through a place named Halagur. So this looks like not a crowded road, at least that's what I think. And look at that. I did not expect to see some hills there. It's kind of nice. The road is beautiful as well with these yellow flowers. And the road just turns to be a patchy one. Let's see, I think I'll take the left one. I think those kids were again trying to collect for the Ganapati festival, Ganesha festival, and they are not the first ones to stop, so I didn't want to stop for those reasons. They must be like the fourth set of kids to harass the commuters. Important to stay hydrated. Definitely. Oh, look at this breed. It's a mix of goats and sheep. As seen in the map, thankfully the road is not severely crowded. A decent countryside. I think I'm also heading towards the forest side, like I was saying. Might as well ride on the highway because I'm hungry, need to eat something. Is there a decent hotel? There are a fair number of people who have stopped by. I know this road. I've been on this road. What? This is a single lane road. What's the need to put up some toll booths on this? Oh my god, you guys are losing. Shit. Everywhere there are toll roads now. So what's the deal with paying so much road tax? Lakhs together. All of that registration. Shit. This road does not deserve to be collecting tolls. This is a single lane road, like any standard state highway. This should not be. You guys shouldn't be collecting toll on this. Oh wow, okay. It's not crazy enough. I had just washed my bike. I'm gonna be riding through that. Ooh, okay, it wasn't deep. I thought it's gonna be deep. Oh, that's nice. There is good water. We are extremely close to our destination. Has been some scenic road. Love it so far, but it's really hot. I'm certain that it's going to rain today. The kids are swimming in the canal. Wow, look at this mountain range. I wonder how much electricity these guys must be producing, and if this is managed by the government or it's privately held. I wonder. 3.6 kilometers to go. Thank you, local lovebirds. What? For a second there, my ABS did not pick it up. Oh boy. I brought a clean bike this morning and close to the dam. Let's see what do we have here. Gundal Jalashaya. That's what this translates to. I mean, Gundal Dam, that's what it translates to. I should probably drop my hopes of finding any food here. But hey, look at that view. That's amazing. Just love it. Wow. There are some farmlands nearby, so I don't think anybody should be scared to come here. But this is at this point, I'm really glad that it's not really crowded. I'm just happy about that. Okay. How do I go on top? I don't know. Let's see. There is one parking spot, but Google Maps is showing something else. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, there is a gate which looks like it's closed. We are not allowed to ride on top of it. These are all rice fields, I think, or at least some of these are rice fields. There are sugarcane fields. This looks like a new road, and did they just dig up a brand new road? Wow. Yeah, these are all rice fields. Oh, nice. There's a bridge. I think they also go for fishing. I'm seeing a boat here. Have I been here? Maybe. Let me check. Oh. Look at the view. That's awesome. Like I was saying, today has been a great day. I had some scenic roads that I took. Have been seeing some great green, a little bit of off-road expedition as well. And then from that Gundal dam towards Talakadu, I was coming here and then I see this bridge. It also has some mountain ranges at the distance, if you can see. Love it. Let's go. So this looks like a decent sized town. Now if I'm lucky, I need to find something to eat here.